in our day-to-day routines. Our diet. And unhealthy lifestyle choices. Could sometimes give us the feeling of a blazing trail of discomfort from the stomach up to the throat. The symptoms of acid reflux. Studies show that the prevalence of GERD, or gastroesophageal reflux disease, has significantly increased from 3 to 9% over the last decade to 14 to 16% among Filipinos. Aside from the stressful lifestyle, other factors likewise increase the risk of ARDs. An acid reflux is inconvenient at the very least. A patient with GERD can experience irritating symptoms like trouble swallowing, constant cough, the need to keep clearing one's throat, even without the presence of phlegm, backwash or regurgitation of food or sour liquid, or heartburn, a burning sensation in the chest, especially after eating. All these symptoms may be irritating and uncomfortable, but acid-related disorders, or ARDs, can lead to worse conditions. They can have an adverse effect on one's daily life and productivity. And at the very worst, if not successfully treated, can cause long-term and serious complications, requiring hospitalization and surgery, and increasing the risk of esophageal cancer. With increasing prevalence, the serious complications that may arise if we do not address the problem, it is imperative that acid-related disorders be treated by a pro. Treatment by a pro is effective, safe, recommended by experts, following strict guidelines, and clinically supported. For doctors and medical professionals, your patients suffering from acid-related disorders can find comfort and healing in a proton pump inhibitor. Provides profound and prolonged gastric acid reduction and is proven to be effective in healing various ARDs. Unilab and Westmont introduce the Pro in acid control. Esomeprazole, Ezoprol. Ezoprol is proven effective against the following disorders, with dosage from 14 days to 6 months. and in the prevention of gastric and duodenal ulcers. Ezoprol provides sustained relief from symptoms for patients with up to 14 hours duration of intragastric pH above 4. Ezoprol is proven effective in gastric acid control. As compared with other PPIs, esomeprazole provides a statistically significant improvement in 8-week healing and symptom relief in all comers with erosive esophagitis. Ezoprol is proven effective in erosive esophagitis healing. For patients hospitalized for peptic ulcer bleeding, continuous high-dose intravenous treatment with Ezoprol results in decreased bleeding and less hospital days. Ezoprol is proven effective in peptic ulcer bleeding. Compared to first-generation PPIs, Ezoprol showed better eradication rate against H. pylori. Ezoprol is proven effective against H. pylori. More importantly, Ezoprol is the only PPI approved by FDA for infusion for up to 72 hours. As the most affordable esomeprazole brand in the market, Ezoprol allows patients up to 71% in savings against the innovator brand. Ezoprol promotes patient compliance, healing and relief for patients suffering from acid-related diseases, excellent care and compassionate treatment only from the Pro that provides a profound and prolonged gastric acid reduction, is proven to be more effective in healing various ARDs, and promotes patient compliance. The Pro in acid control. Esomeprazole Ezoprol.
Allergic rhinitis can cause disruption of daily activities, affecting 20% of Filipinos. Now, it's time to help your patients be allergy-free at last with Allercast. Allercast is a fixed-dose combination of levocetirizine and montelukast, helping reduce nasal symptoms of allergic rhinitis within 30 minutes. Allercast helps patients be allergy-free at last, as we promote proper management of allergic rhinitis through patient education and counseling, which improve treatment adherence. With Allercast, patients will get up to 36% savings versus the innovator brand through our digital coupon program. Don't let allergic rhinitis get in the way. Together, let's help more patients breathe freely with Allercast, a quality product of UAP.
Welcome to the Breathe Freely Network. Breathe Freely Network is an advocacy program that promotes respiratory wellness through patient education. The platform champions videos on proper use of respiratory gadgets such as MDI, DPI, nebulizers, SMI, and intranasal spray, which are available in both English and Tagalog. This is to help patients properly administer their medication to ensure its efficacy anytime, anywhere. Just head on over to www.breathefreely.ph and access relevant information from gadget tutorials, disease awareness, and tips that will help you achieve a healthy lifestyle. Access it through your mobile device or laptop so you are always guided. Valuing life, breathe freely.
For more than 7 decades, UAP has been an ally in managing respiratory diseases, staying true to its commitment to value life and enable patients to breathe freely. With our commitment to stay true to this mission, we are proud to introduce an addition to our product offering, a proven and steadfast present in the empirical treatment of common infections. A go-to antibacterial agent with years of reliable clinical experience. The brand that has earned decades of trust and has formed a strong alliance with medical doctors. UAP now has Co-Amoxiclav Amoclav. Trust the first line against common infections. Co-Amoxiclav such as Amoclav is trusted for the treatment of respiratory tract infections, urinary tract infections in adults and pregnant women, skin and soft tissue infections, and throat infections. It is also recommended in the National Antibiotic Guidelines and the PISMED Clinical Practice Guidelines for low-risk community-acquired pneumonia with stable comorbid illness. Co-Amoxiclav Amoclav offers savings to patients with its cost efficacy, really helping patients to breathe freely. Now that Amoclav is with UAP, we aim to have more decades of trust and strengthen our alliance. Trust the first line against common infections. Trust only Amoclav.
Alam mo ba, at the age of 20, nagsisimulang humina ang immunity mo? Alam mo ba, pag may chronic illnesses, mabilis kumapit ang sakit dahil mababa ang immunity mo? Alam yan ng mga pro. Take Immune Pro, the most prescribed vitamin C and zinc. Ito lang ang tablet na may Zinc Plus technology. Stable at buo ang bigay na vitamin C and zinc. Tulong para 100% immunity every day. Magtiwala sa Pro. Immune Pro. Alagang Unilab yan.
Vertigo ang tawag. Pero bakit hindi ka makago pag may vertigo? Pag sinabing vertigo, ang iniisip natin, pagkahilo. Pero, hindi lang siya simpleng hilo lang.
Bukod sa pagkahilo, na parang umiikot ang paligid. Common na simptomas ng vertigo ang nausea na dulot ng pagkahilo. Ringing o buzzing sa tenga, hearing loss, at loss of balance.
Hirap makago, di ba? Kaya after the treatment of vertigo, dapat Exigo. O di ba ang daling tandaan? Pag vertigo, Exigo. Exigo pag may vertigo.
Exigo is powered by beta-histine, a histamine-like anti-vertigo drug used for treating symptoms associated with Meniere's disease. Exigo helps reduce vertigo symptoms through its actions on the histamine receptors. Taken with proper rest, Exigo can help alleviate vertigo symptoms in as fast as 60 minutes. Starting at 66 pesos and 50 centavos, mas affordable ang vertigo treatment with Exigo kumpara sa ibang brand.
O di ba? Hindi kailangan mahal para makago kapag may Exigo. Pag may vertigo, life is a go with Exigo.
To learn more about vertigo, visit breathefreely.ph, a reminder from UAP, the respiratory division of Unilab.